All right, so I got this Fiskars weed puller here. Check this thing out. Tried a couple of these out a few times. I've tried Grandpa's weeder, but I think I like the Fiskars one best so far. This thing measures about 40 inches in length, 39 inches. It's lightweight. It's pretty durable, and it's great for saving your back when you're trying to pull weeds in the back. And I will demonstrate it here for you. So this thing's so easy to use. I'm going to even do it in my house slippers right here. So you just put this over top of the weed that you want to pull. Get the 4 blades over there. You step on it, and you basically just pull the lever back. You pull the lever back, and the whole thing comes out. Look at that. Roots. Where's it at? Look at that. Roots and all. Pulled everything out. Now it leaves a little hole in the ground there. That's all right. You just cover that back up, and you're good to go. But you got rid of that weed. And this has this little orange lever on the side. See, basically, you just push this lever forward, and it ejects the weed. Can't get much easier than that. This thing's lightweight. It's handy. Does what it's supposed to do. And we like it. Fiskars Weed Puller.